Okay, this is before the shock sensor. I'll show you what happens. They can beat the hell out of the car. It's a Chevy Tahoe. Nothing will happen. I'm gonna go ahead and do the install for the shock sensor, and I'll show you the difference once it's completed. All right, the shock sensor is completed. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire, and you're gonna see it's gonna fire off. I'll give you the countdown, and then it will fire off. Okay, that's the shock sensor added to the factory along. What happened is they stole the rims and tires from the vehicle. That's why it's here at the rim shop getting new tires and rims. So yeah, so this is what happens to these Tahoes. They leave them on full brakes and take your rims and tires. So the shock sensor will work in case they come back and they try to bust out the locks. But once the car drops on the brakes, that vibration will fire off the shock sensor. And they'll also give you, in case they break your window, because what happens to these factory alarms, they only work if you open the door. So what they do, they break your window and jump in without opening any of the doors. That's another thing that they're going around, searching your car for whatever they can find. So yeah, this shock sensor add-on in this 2019 Chevy Tahoe is a must, especially with these rims, these olive wheels. That's what everybody wants in these type of Tahoes. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and you're gonna see. Actually, I'll bang on the keyhole in case they try to break it. This is the shock sensor add-on to this Chevy Tahoe. We thank you for watching this video.